Hey everyone! Today I want to blow your mind with one of the coolest tricks in mathematics. And I promise you, don't need to be good at math to appreciate this. If you can subtract numbers, you're golden. So here's the setup. I'm going to give you a simple rule to follow with any 4-digit number. And no matter what number you start with, your birthday, your PIN code, your lucky number, you're going to end up at the exact same place. Every single time. Sounds impossible, right? Well, buckle up, because we're diving into Kaprekar's constant, and it's about to get weird. Alright, here's what you're going to do. Pick any 4-digit number where the digits aren't all the same. So 1234 works, 9998 works, but 777 doesn't. That's the one rule. Got your number? Cool. Now, here's the process, and I want you to follow along. Step 1. Arrange the digits from largest to smallest. Step 2. Arrange the same digits from smallest to largest. Step 3. Subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. Step 4. Take your answer and repeat the whole thing again. That's it. That's the whole trick. And I know what you're thinking. Okay, so what? Just wait. Let's try it with a nice simple number, 8623. Round 1. First, we arrange the digits from largest to smallest. 8, 6, 3, 2. Now smallest to largest, 2, 3, 6, 8. Now we subtract 8632 minus 2368 equals 6264. Okay, nothing special yet. Let's keep going with 6264. Round 2, largest to smallest, 6, 6, 4, 2. Smallest to largest, 2, 4, 6, 6. Subtract 6642 minus 2466 equals 4176. Still looks random. Stay with me. Let's do it again with 4176. Round 3, largest to smallest, 7, 6, 4, 1. Smallest to largest, 1, 4, 6, 7. Subtract 7641 minus 1467 equals 6174. 6174. Remember that number. Now here's where it gets spooky. Let's do the process one more time with 6174. Largest to smallest, 7, 6, 4, 1. Smallest to largest, 1, 4, 6, 7. Subtract 7641 minus 1467 equals 6174. Wait, what? We got the same number back. This number, 6174, is called Kaprekar's constant. And once you hit it, you're trapped in a loop forever. 6174 just keeps spitting out 6174. But here's the really crazy part. It doesn't matter what number you started with as long as there's at least one number different from the other three. You could start with 1112, you could start with 8352, you could start with 5489. Within 7 steps or less, you will always end up at 6174. So who discovered this numerical vortex? An Indian mathematician named Dr. Kaprekar back in 1949, and apparently he just stumbled upon it while playing around with numbers. Can you imagine? Just doodling with math and discovering that every 4-digit number in existence has this secret pathway to the same destination? The guy was so ahead of his time that mathematicians initially dismissed his work. But eventually they realized, holy cow, this is real. And now 6174 bears his name. Unbelievable. Kaprekar's constant. A number that's like a mathematical Hotel California. Any 4-digit number can check in, but they can never leave. Math is full of weird surprises like this. And honestly, I think that's what makes it beautiful. You don't need fancy equations or a PhD. Sometimes the coolest discoveries come from just playing around and seeing what happens. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go try this with every number I can think of, because my brain still can't fully accept that this works. Thanks for watching, and may all your subtractions lead to 6174.